27th when the lights went out. I thought, I've seen this kind of thing before. So many storms come through, I've grown numb to it. I don't pay much attention anymore. When our cell phone service weakened, we couldn't reach our friends, and the fear of the unknown started to set in. Some of us got angry, some of us just cried. When the storm that I blew off changed all of our lives, we lost the sweetest girl that I've known to this day. We watched the city we all met in get blown the hell away. And when you think about what's happened here, oh, it's sure to move you. Got my mind on Tuscaloosa. Used to be restaurants on that street, and there used to be houses on that concrete. And that storm it may have made our population smaller. The biggest thing it did was make all of us stronger. We lost the sweetest girl that I've known to this day. We watched the city we all met in get blown the hell away. And when you think about what's happened here, oh, it's sure to move you. Got my mind on Tuscaloosa. They say they've never seen anything like this in history, and I wonder why it took her, and why it left me. And I wake up every morning praying that it's all a dream. Try to look at the brighter side of things. We've got the sweetest angel looking out for us today. We still got Bryant Denny, so we can still watch the tide play. And maybe God just knew we all needed something to move us. Keep our minds on Tuscaloosa, oh yeah. Got my mind on Tuscaloosa.